Back to Six Pack Garage, Phoenix, Arizona. It is about 106 degrees in the garage, but this oil change has to get done. So this is an update to my 2015 Escalade. It had a bad lifter, did some damage to the lobe on the cam. I just replaced the lifters. I know it was probably should have done the cam too, but I didn't want to get into that. So this is a 5,600 mile update. This is what she sounds like after a couple months of driving. Doing well, knock on wood. I'll do another update in about another 5,000-6,000 miles. Well, good night from Six Pack Garage. 115 degree day here in Phoenix. So what a better way to finish off the evening than a nice night swim. It's beautiful in the desert tonight. See you next time.